Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler is taking the climate change fight to the nation's capital. Fox 12's Deborah Gill is here with what he had to say at a special hearing in Washington, D.C. just this morning. Deb?
Mayor Wheeler is one of 5 mayors selected from across the country to contribute in a hearing organized by the Senate Democrat Special Committee on the climate crisis. He joined mayors from Honolulu, St. Paul, Pittsburgh, and Atlanta to talk about strategies their cities have taken to become more resilient to the impacts of climate change and efforts to cut carbon pollution. They're also discussing the role the federal government can play in cutting global warming.
Our efforts to tackle climate change are more important now than they've ever been. As you're all aware, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report says that we have about a decade to act if we want to prevent irreversible damage as a result of climate change. We're out of time, and we know that we need to take big, bold steps, both at the local level, as we're all doing here, and at the national level.
He asked for federal support in 3 areas: an increase in transportation funding to remove tolling restrictions on federally funded roads, and more discussion on the so-called Green New Deal. He says that would create good jobs, spur growth in clean and energy-efficient manufacturing, invest in sustainable farming, and better public transportation to reduce congestion. Mayor Wheeler said that while the challenge of climate change is urgent now, Portland's response is not new. He says the city was one of the first in the U.S. to adopt a climate action plan in 1993. Live in studio, Deborah Gill, Fox 12 Oregon.
Deb, thank you.